Today is day, I don't know. Honestly, I should have looked. We're either in 11, 12, or 13. Circle one here. Day 11, day 12, day 13. Producer, would you get on that, please? So I'm currently in my car because I bought some bookshelves from Target. Heyo, Target, shout out. And I'm going to be installing them today, having them installed today. My son is going to build them while I'm at lunch. But I use my car to drive things back to the job site because it's like a little, my Jeep's got like a little cargo, I don't know, it's like a motorized wheelbarrow, right? And anyway, that's what we're up to today. Are coming along. Whew. Installing bookcases, finishing floors, and sweating. Whew. But it's a beautiful sweat. It's like glistening, right? Y'all, I am so tired. Exhausticated is what I would say. It's 7:30. I am now wrapping up day 12. The children, we just used the last 2 heels of bread. Not because we can't afford groceries. Well, because I haven't had any time to get groceries. I've just been like day in and day out. So tomorrow will probably be a grocery day. I'm actually off right now to Target for a pickup for cat food because the cats need food. But it's all good. It's all love. Today I installed the shelves in the kitchenette area. Working on crushing it. It's looking good. Hope you're enjoying it. I am. Bye.